August showed a bit of a surprising bounce back in real estate activity compared to July. Here's your market update. In Toronto's core, demand appeared to substantially increase, with the sales to new listing ratio rising from 36% last month to 43% in August. Sales rose modestly while listings fell, causing that demand metric to shoot up 7 points. 903 sales in August is still a pretty low number compared to any other August of past years, but it's interesting to see sales rise from July, as that almost never happens. Typically, August is one of the slowest months of the year for buyer activity. I'm wondering if buyers were trying to purchase and close before their mortgage pre-approval runs out and interest rates potentially rise again, as well as take advantage of some pretty decent price declines. Months of inventory, MOI, fell drastically from 4.2 to 3.1. This was driven by an almost 22% reduction in active listings available at the end of August. Now, August is an interesting month because it's one where sellers who have been on the market for a while already take a break from being on the market with the plan of relisting in September when they believe the market will improve. So to see new listings and active listings fall substantially from July is not surprising. Supply and demand for the core seem to move things back towards seller market territory, but I think the numbers are temporarily skewed due to the lack of new listings and active listings available on the market. For Etobicoke, North York, and Scarborough, the demand shot up from July, largely driven by a 22% jump in sales. New listings fell, but only by a small margin. Again, like the core, an increase in sales from July to August is almost unheard of, but seeing it consistently right across the city makes me more confident that buyers are looking to secure a well-priced home while they have somewhat favorable mortgage pre-approvals. The supply metric, MOI, for the outer areas of Toronto fell even further than it did for the core, but for the same reasons: a large decline in active listings and a decent bump in sales. While August numbers are fairly optimistic, I believe that a combination of new listings, a lot of active inventory, and another interest rate hike will cause September to fall back in line with the declining trend of previous months. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. If you're catching this on YouTube, I would be thrilled if you would like this video, if you would subscribe to my channel, and if you would hit the bell for notifications for upcoming videos.